The impact of AI and automation on Scrum. One of the key trends that has emerged in recent years is the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) and automation into Agile project management methodologies like Scrum. Impact of AI on Scrum. AI technology has the potential to revolutionize the way teams work together and manage projects. By leveraging AI algorithms and machine learning capabilities, Scrum teams can automate repetitive tasks, streamline decision-making processes, and enhance overall project efficiency. Automation in Scrum. Automation plays a crucial role in optimizing Scrum processes by eliminating manual tasks and allowing team members to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. AI integration in Scrum. The integration of AI technologies into the Scrum framework enables teams to leverage data-driven insights, predictive analytics, and intelligent decision-making tools. AI can help teams identify patterns, trends, and potential risks, allowing them to make informed decisions and adapt quickly to changing circumstances. Automation impact on Agile teams. The impact of automation on Agile teams is significant. By automating manual tasks and routine processes, teams can allocate their time and resources more effectively, focus on high-priority activities, and deliver projects with greater speed and accuracy. Future of Scrum with AI and automation. As technology continues to advance and AI capabilities evolve, the future of Scrum with AI and automation looks promising. By leveraging intelligent automation tools, machine learning algorithms, and predictive analytics, Scrum teams can drive continuous improvement, enhance team productivity, and deliver exceptional results for their organizations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the integration of AI and automation into Scrum practices offers numerous benefits and opportunities for Agile teams. By embracing AI technologies, automating routine tasks, and optimizing project management processes, Scrum teams can enhance collaboration, drive innovation, and achieve greater success in their projects.